Alright, this is how to make your own IP address API. Go to Cloudflare Workers is what we're gonna use today. It's pretty free. Easy peasy, bro. You ain't gotta pay for this. I made this because I was trying to make I needed a website that I needed an IP to send to the API, and everything would get blocked right by adblock. So I used this to make my own IP address API, so I wouldn't get blocked by adblock. Alright, so you log in Cloudflare Workers, make your account, probably have to verify your email, whatever. Go to create a service, make sure you're on Workers, create a service, give me whatever you want, my IP API, oh, create service, and then quick edit, hit quick edit up here. Then when I have to type in some code here, where's my code at? I have it already typed out because I already did it before. Here, just type this in, or I'll put it in the description somewhere. Copy paste it in. Don't waste your time. Alright, so fetch. Whatever, you're gonna get the request that comes in, alright, and then handle it with the stuff. The request on Cloudflare, it gets all the data you need. Get the IP, the agent, the country, city, continent, and that's repeated info, but it's whatever. You can get what it's called, coordinates. Alright, so I was gonna handle the request, pull the data, then you got the JSON stringify it, and then you return a response. You can edit the cores here, so you can basically type in your, like, if it's for a specific website, you don't want everybody to be able to access it or abuse your API, because you do get charged once you go over the limit. The limit's pretty high, like 100,000 requests or something like that. But yeah, you can put your website here, whatever. Then just click save and deploy. Save and deploy. That's pretty fast. And then you just go to the link. All right, now once you go to the website, right, you're gonna get all the info here. You can use that link in your app, your React app or whatever, to get the data you need. Like I said, this won't get blocked by adblock like every other free API out there that's like available you can use easily. It's gonna get blocked. It's on the list, adblock list to get blocked because, you know, here you go. I'm not gonna leak my info, but no preview, you can see it.